Hello, it's Miss Nicole of Legacy Lineage Online Learning in collaboration with Youth on Fire to present Story Time. Okay, so we just had Mother's Day, and for Mother's Day we had our activity up that was the coffee filter flowers. I hope you guys had a chance to make those, or little ones that you were able even to draw mommy some flowers, or maybe you saw mommy get flowers for Mother's Day. So we're going to talk a little bit more about those flowers and the parts of the flowers and how flowers grow and what they need to grow. So I encourage you to pay attention this week, and we will be doing some fun things that are going to be talking all about plant life. And so our story today is a fact book called Plant Life. And so if you look out your window right now and it's spring is coming, you might see daffodils and tulips. Remember the little girl in the flower garden? She went to the store. That's where her and her dad got their flowers from. And remember, she lived in an apartment and they planted a flower box for their mother. So let's see what happens if you look out your window. Can you make a window for me like the window pane is closed? And we're going to sing I Look Through My Window. All right, I looked through my window, and who did I see? The readers and parents waving at me. I looked through my window, and who did I see? The readers and parents clapping with me. I looked through my window, and who did I see? Tulips and daffodils looking beautiful for me. All right, so we're gonna start and find out about plant life. Plant life. All righty, so it says, what do plants need to live and grow? Why do people and animals need plants? So let's look at these pictures. This picture's gonna do a good job of telling us what they need to grow and why people and animals need plants. All right, let's see if it answers it for us. We need plants for food, and so do animals. And then this shows us the different types and parts of a plant. All right, what plants need? Plants are living things. Plants need light, water, food, and air to survive. Most plants need soil too. Sunlight, water, soil, food, and air helps plants grow. How plants grow? Most plants grow from seeds. All plants change as they grow. These pictures show how a corn plant grows and changes. So first, the corn seeds are planted in soil, and then the seeds open underground, and a shoot from each seed comes up. Roots go down from each seed. Then the shoot pushes up through the soil and becomes a seedling. The seedling becomes a plant. The corn plant produces corn cobs, which have seeds, and then the seeds come from the corn cobs and can grow into new plants. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It takes us around like a life cycle. It's the life cycle of a corn seed. So as I show that to you, parents, maybe you can point out or pause it and show children the life cycle of this corn seed. Plants have parts. A plant has different parts. Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves. Can we say that together? Roots, stems, and leaves. All the parts of a plant help the plant to live and grow. A plant's roots take water in and food to help the plant grow. And this picture is showing you a really good picture of the roots. And then it talks about the stem. A plant's stem carries water and food through the plant. And then this picture talks about the leaf. A plant's leaves take in air and light to help the plant grow. So we're looking at the roots, the stems, and the leaves. Some plants have flowers. Some plants have fruit. Seeds can come from flowers or fruit. Seeds can grow into new plants. And this is showing a sunflower seed. And it says these seeds come from a flower. And then they have a picture of a peach, which shows that the peach seed comes from a fruit. And when we get ready to present one of my favorite news stories, The Bad Seed, you're going to see that he is a sunflower seed. We need plants. People and animals need plants to survive. Plants provide food for people and animals. So people eat fruits and vegetables that come from plants, and animals eat plants to live and grow. So you see, this man is enjoying a salad, and the cows seem to be enjoying some hay. There's a little did you know box. Let's find out. Did you know that plants help to produce the air we breathe? Plants give out oxygen, and oxygen is part of the air all people and animals breathe. Can you say oxygen? When I show you with the Hoberman sphere how to take in deep breath and blow it out, that's oxygen that we're breathing in. People use plants in many ways. Animals use plants in many ways. People use wood from trees to build houses. People use cotton and straw from plants to make clothing. Animals use plants to build their homes. And animals use plants as hiding places. Does anybody know what the name of a home for birds is? You'll see in this picture right here, it's saying that she used her plant to build a home. What is that home called? Where do birds live? That's right, a nest. All right, so then it says, let's talk about what we learned. How do plants live and grow? Do you remember what we said about how plants live and grow? What they need? Soil, water, sun. That's right. And what are the parts of the plant? What is the part that goes down? The root. That's right. And then the part that pushes up is the stem. And then some plants make flowers and others make fruits or vegetables. And let's see. And we also said that some plants need soil. And as you can see here, these pictures, and there's some words over here that give us all the words we use to describe how plants grow. And here is a picture glossary. Parents, this would be a good picture for you to pause on and talk a little bit more with little ones about the picture glossary. And a glossary is all the words that may be new to you that you didn't know in the story. And I like this because it shows you the different pictures of the roots and the parts of the flower. The end. Plant life. Thank you for joining me. We'll be back with another story on plants.